It's cold in Alabama, y'all. We got to make some taco soup. This fed my family of 14, or you can make it and have leftovers for tomorrow, and it only costs us $26.15. I'm great.
We're doing cash or card today?
Cash.
All right. It's going to be $26.15.
I went to ALDI, the grocery shop, and I got a 2-pound container of ground turkey, 1 can of black beans, 1 can of red kidney beans, 1 can of whole kernel sweet corn, a 24-ounce of mild chunky salsa, 1 can of small green chilies, a jar of queso, a 3-cup bag of Mexican-style shredded cheese, a container of sour cream, 4 packs of taco seasoning, and 2 bags of corn chips. The only additions I made outside of what I got from the grocery store was a half a red onion and some leftover ground turkey I had in the fridge from tacos we ate the day before. I got the half a red onion sauteed. Now I'm going to add the 2 pounds of ground turkey, cook it up, and this is going to serve as our soup base. To the ground turkey, we're going to add in 2 of our taco seasoning packs. We're going to get that thoroughly mixed in, and then we're going to go in with the rest of our ingredients. Now I'm going in with the ground turkey that we had from yesterday's tacos, and I'm going to add that to the soup base. As I told y'all, I only added this because I had it in the fridge and I didn't want it to go to waste, but you can seriously make this with just 2 pounds of ground turkey. That's how I normally make it anyway. We're going to start off with the black beans, and I did not drain any of the cans, so just open the cans and leave everything like it is. Add your black beans and go in with your red kidney beans and mix that together. And then I'm going to go in with my can of corn and get that mixed in. After that, I'm going to add in the green chilies, mix that in, and then I'm going to go in with the salsa. And of course, if you just want to dump it all in and mix it in, you can. It's just my preference to mix everything in one at a time. Maybe it's just me. It's just a me thing, but this is the way I do it. Now I'm going to add in the last 2 sauce packets. And of course, I'm mixing them in one at a time. Give it a little taste test to see if you want to make any adjustments. If you're fine with the taste like I was, go ahead and add in a jar of water. Yeah, I used the same 24-ounce salsa jar and just filled it with water. Now let's go in and make this taco soup creamy. We're going to add 1 jar of salsa con queso, which is salsa with cheese, which is going to make this creamy and still allow us to keep that strong taco flavor. After getting all that mixed up, I'm going to let it boil with the lid on for about 2.5 minutes. I went in with 1 more jar of water. I wanted my soup to be a little bit more soupy, but that's a preference thing. And I'm going to let this simmer for 30 minutes, and then dinner is served. So from start to finish, this took me an hour to make. This is a super inexpensive dinner that'll feed multiple people. Let me know if you try it, and let me know how it turns out for you. Thank y'all so much for watching the video. I'll see y'all in the next episode of Mom, What You Cooking?